Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you could buy SPX6900 meme coin on Solana with your Phantom wallet. Now, this is going to be the cheapest way how to do it without using Ethereum. The most use, okay, that's messed up, but Ethereum with high gas fees and all of that. So I'll teach you today how you can do that. So let's get right in. So first and foremost, you're going to want to go to the coinmarketcap.com website. I like using this website a lot because it has a lot of verified projects and it just shows you, the top meme coins or cryptos in categories and by their market cap size as well as in ranks. But let's go ahead and get on with this. You can search it up in the tab by going to SPX6900, type it in. You can find it. Watch out for these 2.0s that claim to be an SPX 6900. These are fake or they're just failed projects that try to revamp the original, but click 6900 SPX right here. Then go ahead, contract address right here where it says, click this little tab here and then copy the Solana contract address. Once you do that, you're now set and ready. You head over to your Phantom wallet and paste it in there. So you can see my Phantom wallet has $16 in it. It used to have a couple, bands in there, but we round trip. Now we're back at zero. So basically, you're going to want to head over to swap and then go ahead and click Solana, use this as the UPay option, and then USDC, you're going to want to paste in the contract address for SPX6900. So put whatever amount you want to use for the Solana you're going to want to pay to get this. Basically, you're going to want to agree with whatever provider they're giving you and the fees and slippage and all of that. After that, just go ahead and click swap now. So I'm not going to do that because I kind of want to conserve my money for more meme coins, but that's how you go ahead and do it. It's very simple. It's very easy to do. And if you did find it helpful, leave a like on this video. All right. You could also buy SPX 6900 on whatever markets it is currently on or listed exchanges. So you can buy it on Kraken, Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io. So if you found this video helpful, like I said, leave a like, guys. But till then, I'll see you all until next time.